Hey folks, it's Robin Clayton here with another episode of Zodiacy at the Farm, and I want to show you this beautiful piece that we're going to make today. It's a three-piece ensemble, a multicolored blue and silver supporting plate, along with this beautiful blue and yellow teal flower petal, followed by this beautiful glass orb to finish it off. And then of course that beautiful hook that I infamously use. Okay, so I hope that you'll stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to make these beautiful glass flowers for your home. Okay? All right, we'll see you soon. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on to the cutting stage of this video. All right, see you soon. Hey folks, okay, let's move on right now to the first plate that I'm going to be cutting for this project. I've got a little bit of water here that I use to help break up the sediment. I've got my Ryobi drill, cordless drill with a diamond tipped drill bit. You can get these from Amazon. And remember, when you're cutting the glass, you're going to start at a 45-degree angle. Once that bit gets into a groove of the glass, then you're going to proceed to just pull it straight up to a 90-degree angle. Okay, so we're just going to start out real slow. Hey folks, okay, I'm getting ready to set up here, set up my dishes. Hello everyone. Okay, we're over here at the cutting stage of this particular project, and I've already marked the center of my plate right there. I've got my water. I've got my diamond tip bit ready to go, and I'll get my gloves. Okay, so here are my safety gloves. You always want to wear gloves when cutting glass. It can be very dangerous. And you also need to have protective eyewear. That's very important as well, so that the glass doesn't spit back up on you. All right, so again, I've got my little supporting piece of cardboard here. I've got a piece of wood here, so that when the drill bit pierces through this glass, that it will hit this piece of wood as opposed to potentially cracking the glass. So I'm going to set that just like that. I've got a little bit of water that I'm going to be using, and we are good to make this one quick check here, and we are good to go. Here we go. Alright, so we are ready for the assembly stage of this particular project. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flour and I'm going to go ahead and put a washer there and stick that straight through just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick it straight through that hole. I'm going to take another washer and then take my flower petal and set that flower petal just like that, okay? And then I'm going to take another washer and place that just like that, okay? Then I'm going to take my toggle. This is a 1/8 inch toggle. I'm using a smaller one for this one because my little glass orb won't take a larger size. So let's see how this goes. Each piece that I make is actually quite different. It may seem the process is the same, but I find that there are little idiosyncrasies about, you know, different plates, different textures, and that, you know, take me some time to work through, and you don't actually see that on the video. And for those of you who want to know, it usually takes me about a week to actually put a flower together that I'm proud of. So just as information, this isn't as easy as it always looks. Okay, so here's my orb. I'm going to stick it right in there until that grabs, and it did. It grabbed the orb. Then, as I normally do, I'm just going to carefully turn it over. Make sure that the orb is sitting parallel. And I'm just going to take my Phillips head and begin to tighten this up. I didn't show this on camera, but I had to. This is my second time around here because the other toggle was too large. I mean, the toggle bolt was too large, so I had to get a smaller bolt to fit this. Okay, let me check this. Okay, and that looks really good. Okay, let me just one more quick little turn here. Make sure that it's all tightened up. Don't tighten it too tight because then you'll break the glass. Okay, so here we go. So this is a 3-piece flower. I've got this incredible back supporting plate here with that beautiful flower hook. And then I've got this beautiful teal flower petal along with this beautiful blue glass orb. And I think it just complements each other. The sun coming through this will look amazing. Okay, all right, so let me show you how it presents on a stand. Hey folks, okay, here it is on the stand, and this is where you would mount this internally in your home. So let me turn it over to the back so you can see it. This is going to shine beautifully in the light. Even if you mount it internally, just because, or inside rather, only because you just have so much light that can get through the supporting plate. You've got this beautiful flower petal and then this beautiful multicolored orb. So lots of blues, silvers, and yellows in this piece, and I just think it looks absolutely magnificent. All right, so now that you've seen it on the stand, I'm going to show you how to mount it on a exterior stand. Okay, stay with me. Okay, so here we go with it mounted on an exterior stand. And again, it sits snug as a bug in a rug right on the stand. And again, you can also apply adhesive in here if you want it to be permanent. I would think it would just be easier, in my humble opinion, just to leave it sit here just naturally like that. You can secure it down if you'd like even further, but when you pull it out, if you want to bring it inside, you're going to need to be able to get this out of the stand. So just, you know, some helpful tips there for y'all. Okay, so let me pull this back out. See how hard that is to get out? All right, so here we go. Here is the final showing of this, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely piece. Just all these amazing hues on this piece. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video today, and if you have, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button so that this video gets out to others who really would love to create some beautiful glass flowers for their home. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can go to my website, which is zodiseeatthefarm.com. You can also find these on Etsy under Robin Clayton Zodiac Glass Shop at etsy.com. And all of this information will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to call that a wrap today. I hope you have a great week. Many blessings sent your way, and I hope to see you next week here at Zodiac at the Farm. Take care. Bye-bye. There you go. All right, see ya.